Have you ever wanted to clone your voice for absolutely free? Well, today's your lucky day. I know we have tools like ElevenLabs, but that could get expensive with a lot of processing if you do a lot of text-to-speech. For example, if you're doing a YouTube automation channel or some sort of automation, even cloning yourself, a lot of people use ElevenLabs because of the quality, but it does get expensive. Well, I was actually searching on GitHub and I found this open source tool where you can locally on your machine without any internet, with nothing, you can create text-to-speech that sounds absolutely insane. Not only can you create text-to-speech, but you can clone your voice, and it actually sounds super good. It's a very good competitor to ElevenLabs. Not only can you clone your own voice, but you can clone other people's voices as well. So you have to be very careful with this tool. This is just a warning. Don't do anything illegal with it. So let me show you guys this tool and how to use it. Let's get right into it. All right, so this is the repo right here. It's called Voicebox, created by our beautiful guy, Jamie Pine. And if you look right here, you can actually just download it straight to your computer. But what I did was I just pulled this entire project into Antigravity so that if I want to make changes, I can do that. Or I can run it fully locally and make changes for myself. So I have Antigravity pulled up right here, and as you can see, I have all the files right here. I just pulled them. It's going to make you install some dependencies, but once you do all that, you can just say, I want to start the server, and it's going to start it for you. So how this works is that it basically runs all locally. So it downloads a model that's a text-to-speech model that your computer can run, and then it just uses your computer's processing power to actually do the text-to-speech. So let me show you guys what the app looks like. So this is the interface right here. Pretty simple, pretty basic. I just want to show you guys a little demo. I was going to use this to create the intro of this video, but then I didn't want to lip sync this, like memorize the text and lip sync it. So I opted out of that, but I just want you guys to hear a bit of this. What if I told you the voice you're listening to right now isn't actually me? It's an AI clone, and I built it for free. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do the same, step by step, and why this is about to change how people create content online. Alright, so as you can see, like when I first recorded my audio clip of me talking, I didn't have that much enthusiasm, so that's why it's kind of monotone. But it's very, very, very good. It's a super good replication of my voice, almost as good as ElevenLabs, and I did it all locally here on my computer. Now, like I did tell you guys, we can do other people's voices as well, which is where we get into a bit of a gray area here. So I did one with Tate. This one's kind of funny.
I've been following Eric for a while now, and honestly, what stands out is how real he is. He's not just talking about AI or business. He's actually building, testing, and figuring things out in real time. You can tell he's focused on results, not just hype. If you're trying to level up and actually make progress, Eric is definitely someone worth paying attention to.
Damn, like, it even gets like the echo in the, like, it's almost like he's the one talking. It's absolutely insane. There's some motion in the voice. It's pretty crazy. It's almost as if I actually got a vouch from Tate. I'll show you guys another one I did with David Goggins.
If you want to actually build with AI instead of just watching content, the AI Builder Bootcamp is the move. It gives you the skills, systems, and real workflows to start creating immediately.
All right, as you can see, also pretty good for doing it all for absolutely free and locally on my machine. So I'll show you guys how to create a voice and obviously how to generate the speeches. So to create the voice, as you can see over here, we can just click create voice. Now there's a couple ways you can create a voice. You can either upload a file that you recorded or have that's around 30 seconds. Sorry, it can't be more than 30 seconds. So either 30 seconds or less. And you also need reference text. So whatever is said in that video, make sure you have it transcribed so you can paste the reference text here. Another way you could do it is just straight cloning your voice. So you can literally just start recording here and just talk for 30 seconds and then also paste the reference text here, and that's going to create a clone of your own voice. And the third way is system audio. So if you do just have an audio on your computer that you want to clone, you can just start the capture right here. It's going to capture the audio of your computer, and you can just clone a voice like that as well. Now, they also have built-in voices depending on the engine. So we have Quen custom voices here, and we have Kokoro. But like I said, I mean, you can literally clone any voice. So even if there is an AI voice or like a YouTuber voice or just any voice that you can get a 30-second clip of that you like, I just highly recommend cloning it instead of using any of the built-in voices. Now, I'll show you guys an example of how to clone the voice. I'm gonna try and make this one more enthusiastic when I speak. So let me just get my script over here. And okay, so let me just click start recording. 3, 2, 1. I used to think I had to do everything myself. Record, edit, create nonstop. But now, this voice you're hearing, it's not even me. It's AI. And once you realize what's possible, everything changes. All right, so literally 15 seconds right there. Sorry, I'm not a voice actor, guys, so it's not the best, but we're just gonna put the reference text down here. So I'm just gonna name it Eric Voice Motivation. You don't have to put a description, we'll put English, and then default engine, I'm just gonna put no preference. And I'm just gonna click create profile, and boom, just like that. Now we added Eric Voice Motivation right here. And then to generate the text, all we're gonna go is down here where it says generate speech using. So here you can pick the language. What's really cool is we can actually do all these languages here. So if you want to create a video and then dub it for a different language, you can use one of these languages. Then over here, you can pick the model. So these are the models that it's going to download to your computer so that it can process these text-to-speeches. So far, I found the best one by far is Quen 3 TTS 1.7 bil parameter. And also we have some effects. So if you want to make it robotic, radio, echo chamber, or deep voice, you can put some effects as well, which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to paste it in here and I'm going to generate a regular one. So I'm just going to click generate. And as you can see, it's loading model and it's just going to start generating. Now, since this does do it on your computer, it does take a bit of time, but like I said, it's free. So it's, you know, you can generate as many texts as you want at the same time as well. So, you know, this is way more optimal and way more efficient than using ElevenLabs. Alright, so it just finished processing right here. I'm going to let you guys hear this. This should have a little more emotion. What if I told you you could clone your voice for free and never record again? This isn't the future, it's happening right now. And once you see how this works, there's no going back. What if I told... Guys, that's absolutely insane. I gave it literally a 15-second voice recording of me talking, and it came out with that. I think it's absolutely amazing how accurately it gets my voice. I also started a generation here to show you guys the translation feature, so we're going to try in French and we'll see how that turns out. Now, while that's loading, I'll show you guys the other tabs. So here they have a stories tab. You can create stories and make conversations flow with 2 characters. Here you have another tab where you can see all your voices, the language of the voice, the generations, the samples. Here we have the effects. We can also create new effects or import some effects. Alright, so here's the French one. What if I told you you could clone your voice for free and never record again? This isn't the future, it's happening right now. And once you see how this works, there's no going back. Okay, so it wasn't French. I think because the language here I put for the voice is English, or maybe the text actually has to be in French. I'm not too sure about that, but either way, you can see it sounded really good in English. So here we have the audio channels. You can see your available devices and the default right here. Then here are the models. So as you can see, this is the one we're using, Quen TTS 1.7 bil. This is 4.23 gigabytes. So that's the space it's going to take up on your computer. And we also have some transcription models right here, which uses Whisper. This is pretty good as well. Then if we go into settings here, I really wanted to show you guys this, that over here, we do have an API access with a post request to generate speeches. We also have past generations, profiles, health. So this is actually the main feature that's going to help you bring this into any kind of automation or application that you're creating, so you can connect through an API access to a completely free voice generation. Now, how exactly does this work? We have our external application, our script or our tool that we created right here. And then this is actually going to send a JSON payload straight to the Voicebox interface right here to this custom API. This API is going to be sitting right here. Now, once that API gets the JSON from our application, it's going to run one of our models. Obviously, we can pick which model we want to run. And once we pick the model, it's going to send it to our hardware. This is where the processing power actually happens. Once all that finishes, we get our audio data, and that audio data can be straight returned into our application right over here. So for example, if you guys ever built an N8N workflow or a Claude Code workflow that creates these YouTube automation videos, well, now you can integrate your entire text-to-speech straight with Voicebox and create those all for free. This is going to be really good for creating like Instagram shorts or anything. I'm even looking to use this to clone myself, but this tool is absolutely insane. And the fact that you can just import the entire code onto your computer and use it locally is completely insane, because you can use it privately as well. So no one can access this data. This is all private data straight on your computer. No third-party tool can access any of this data. Either way, guys, I just wanted to share this super cool tool with you guys. I found it and I thought might as well share it. Maybe some of you guys will find it useful. I'll leave the link to the GitHub in the description, so if you guys do want to play around with this, just make sure to go down there and you have full access to it. Also, if you're new or advanced in AI and trying to learn how to vibe code, I do have a Skool community for that down below. Either way, guys, hope you did enjoy it. If you did, leave a like and a subscribe. I'm a newer channel, so every bit helps a lot. Hope y'all have a great rest of your day and see y'all in the next one. Peace!